Today we're showing you how we created this perfect fluffy two-layered Moi Moi, Nigeria's beloved beans pudding with a delicious twist. To serve 4 people, here's what you'll need. 1 cup of peeled black-eyed peas, about 150 grams. 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1/2 a fresh chili pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 medium onion, chopped, 4 large eggs, and 4 small metal bowls or pots, preferably the non-stick pots. Now, if you're using dried peeled beans, you'll need to soak them in water. Don't rush this part. The softer the beans, the smoother the blend, and the better the Moi Moi. I recommend soaking for at least an hour. After soaking, rinse the beans several times until the water runs clear and the husk is gone. Now transfer the beans into a blender. Add just enough water to help the blender run smoothly. Add your tomato paste, chopped chili, salt, and olive oil. Blend the mixture into a soft paste. Aim for a soft puree, not soup. Next, toss in the chopped onions. Don't blend them. This little texture surprise is part of what makes our Moi Moi unforgettable. But hey, if you like it smooth, go ahead and blend them in. Let's prep our water bath. Use a wide base pot and pour in water about halfway up the height of the small bowls. Bring it to a boil. It's steam time. Pour your bean mixture into each pot, but only halfway, to leave space for the second layer. Carefully place them in the water bath. Cover and steam for 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the second layer, the egg topping. Crack the 4 eggs, separating the yolk as we are only using the egg white. This will help us achieve a better colour contrast for the layers. And to make it even more colourful, sprinkle some dried parsley leaves. After 10 minutes of steaming, your bean base should be firm enough to hold the egg. Pour the egg white gently over the top of each. Make sure the bean layer is set. This is what gives you that stunning 2-layer effect. Otherwise, the egg sinks and disappears into the mix. And we want that Instagram-worthy slice, right? Steam for another 10 minutes. Top up the water if needed. We don't want the water to run dry. Can you see the beautiful, vibrant layer we have on top? Turn off the heat and let it rest for 10 more minutes. This helps the Moi Moi settle and firm up. Now gently remove it from the bowl. Look at that, soft, steamy, and layered perfection. You can serve your Moi Moi with fried plantains, creamy akamu, rice, and stew, or just enjoy it solo. That's it, your perfect 2-layered Moi Moi. Try it, share it, and enjoy the taste of home no matter where you are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.